Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I'm here to share another journal with you today. This is a project that I did. It's a March design team project for Luise Heinzl, and I'm very excited to be on her team and to be able to play around with some of her kits. This journal I made from a Reader's Digest, and I just used a piece of tatty linen that has a little pattern on it for the closure. And the cover on this journal I just love. It's probably one of my favorite that I own of the Reader's Digest. It's just got a really pretty pattern and color combination. I didn't really care for the wording on the spine, so I did cover that with a piece of canvas. And what I decided to do for this journal, which was kind of a last minute decision, I've been watching Rachel and Gail and a number of others do altered books, and so I thought I'm going to give it a try, and that's what I did with this one. So I kept the front cover page and just added a nameplate there and recovered the inside of the front cover. And then what I did was I kind of followed similar to most of the others in keeping 2 pages and then getting rid of 6, keeping 2, getting rid of 6. When I say get rid of, I tore some and I cut some. So you'll see as I go through, for example, here are 2 or 3 I actually kept on this one. And then I cut one, I tore 4, and then I cut one. And that way I could insert some blank pages in between my pocket pages. So as we go through, you can see this one also, I cut a sheet there and then glued a page onto it. So every other one will be a journaling page, which will help provide a little bit more journaling space. So as we go through, the kit that I used is called the Bunny Hug, and it's just an adorable kit. I think it was made for me. It's got all the colors I love and so many beautiful things in there, butterflies and flowers. I used every single page in the kit in this journal, and also some of the ephemera that was provided. So for this first page, I made a double pocket. I made a pocket on this side, and then I made a pocket on this side. And anyone who thinks an altered book is easier because you don't have to sew in your signatures, well, I need to warn you, it's a lot of work because you're measuring and you're folding and you're gluing and you're finding pages for front and back versus just picking out a sheet and folding it in half. So it is a lot of work, but it was really fun. I think I will be making another one similar to this. In here, I inserted a journaling card. And on this side, another journaling card. And this is ephemera from the kit. She has just such this kit has some unusual combinations of things, especially for the ephemera with the bunnies and the pieces. So it was really interesting to use. Here I folded down a couple of pockets and added some trim in the middle. And then these are tags from the kit. This is just some decorative paper. Here I made a corner pocket and used another tag from the kit. And this is just a piece from a botanical book. Here I added another blank page with some washi trim. I made a pocket along the bottom of this page and did an altered photograph. And just did a little collage on there. I love those 2 boys sitting on that truck. There's some journaling space on the back. In here, I made a top-loading pocket with a journal card on it. Oops, I think I missed it. I really like interspersing things like ledger paper and old writing with the kit. Just really lends itself to that. In here, I made a little journaling card. This is also from the kit with some lace on the back. A lace digital. In here, I made a journaling card from a botanical page, and then another one also from a botanical page with a little bit of stamping on there. And just created a couple of double pockets on that one. Did a little punching along the edge. Here I tied some string around the page and did a little bee wax seal on there. And created a side loading pocket. And stuck a journaling card in there. Here I created a little tuck spot, did another altered photograph. This is from the kit, and that's actually a picture of the bunny hug, which is a dance, which I never knew before working with this kit. So that was kind of interesting. Here's a top loading pocket. And there are lots of little bunny images in the kit that make it really fun, very springy. Here I added a piece of lace onto one of the journaling pages, and then some digital buttons, a doily. Here I created a bottom loading pocket, added a little bit of trim there, created a journaling spot. There's just so many wonderful little things to see with these pages. Here I created, these are from the kit as well, and I just created alternating corner pockets and tucked in a couple of journaling cards. Here's a place to tuck something. Gorgeous greens, love the greens in here. This page, I created another little pocket. This was from the kit as well, and just used some wallpaper and added some of the images from the kit onto there. Here I took the two pages and put them together, but I cut it down the middle so I could create two pockets on that page. And this is a cute little bunny tag from the kit. And I just did some stenciling with acrylic paint on the back. And then here's another journaling card. Oops, or tag, I should say. Here I cut the page a little bit shorter, this front one, and then glued it to the back page and created a couple of long skinny tags on there. This is a page from the kit, and this is washi tape, and this is a punched strip. And I just inserted a vintage postcard from 1911. Here I made a top loading pocket, but I brought it down a little bit and just put kind of a shabby looking cuff on there. And then I inserted a vintage envelope with a letter inside. And decorated the back with some washi tape. This I think is my favorite page in the kit. I just love the colors in it and the flowers. Here, just to keep the bulk down, I did not put a page in the middle. I just put a little bit of a trim there. And then this is another shortened page, and I made a card. And this is an image from the kit. This is a wallpaper digital that I put on construction paper. It gives it that really nice old wallpaper feel. Do a little bit of stamping along there. And this is also a bunny from the kit. I love that bunny, so pretty. Just added a little bit of embroidery back there. And that is it. I loved making this journal, and I hope you liked it too. Thank you. Goodbye.